Welcome to my echoey kitchen. Today I'm going to go over how to make an Australian summer parfait, except it isn't summer and I'm currently inside California. Wherever you are, this is an ideal summer treat as things begin to warm up. If you can put one thing on top of another thing, you're overqualified at making this. For our ingredients, we're going to cream some rice. Already have some pre-cooked rice here. We're going to have 2 fruits, pineapple, I cheated, bought stuff that's already pre-packaged. Fresh strawberries, we're going to cut those up. And to top it all off, going to whack some whipped cream in there. With all these things, bang it in the glass. So you might be wondering what cream rice actually is. It's nothing to be scared of. It's just going to be 1 part rice, 1 part milk, a bit of brown sugar to sweeten things up, and a little bit of touch of vanilla extract that we'll add in there at the end. So it's a 1/2 cup measure, so throw in your 1 cup worth of rice, cup of milk, and a little tablespoon of sugar. As we get towards the end, we're going to throw in a little teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to bring it up to a boil before allowing it to simmer. Give it a little bit of a stir as we heat things up. And as we look all good there, just bang the lid on it. Keep an eye on that temperature. As soon as it starts to boil, turn it down to a simmering point. We're going to leave it there for about 15 to 20 minutes until things start to cream up. If you're an idiot like me who can't keep an eye on things, don't be a grub. Clean up your cooktop if you boil anything over. While we wait on the cream rice to cream, let's chop up the fruits. Perfect. Our rice and milk combination has been cruising along for about 10 minutes now. It's time to give it a little bit of vanilla extract. I use about a teaspoon's worth. That's a tablespoon. You get the idea, you're a smart person, you'll figure it out. Bang the lid back on it. I'm going to do its thing for another 10 minutes. 20 minutes has gone by now, so I'm going to pull it off the stove, throw it in a bowl and chuck it in the fridge for a little bit to cool off. Now that the cream rice is cooled down, I'm going to start layering and stacking everything into my glass. I'm going to start off with the cream rice, then add the mix of fruits, top it off with whipped cream. Beautiful.